Greetings, fine people of the internet who watch my videos. I'm Eric Surf 6. Welcome to Eric Mealtime, and I have found a brand new vending machine. We're in Little Korea in Tokyo, and it's all Korean products. So like spicy chicken. This is Chijimi, which is sort of like a savory pancake. They've got some hot soups. Interesting. That's beef short rib with cheese on it. Another machine over here. I'll show you that in a minute. Let's have a feast. We'll do this one first, number one. What's next? Got to do one of these savory pancakes. They've got 3 different types. There's a cheese one, a seafood, and oh, this is a rice dish, fried rice. Let's do this one, the seafood, for $4.50. And maybe one more. Try this spicy soup right here. That looks really good, and it's got tofu in it. Somewhat healthy, perhaps. There we go. Let's see what's in this machine. Got a lot of reflection going on. Oh, that's nori seaweed, huh? Dried seaweed. $40 yen, about 35 cents. Let's get another one of those. Love me some nori seaweed. Hey guys, we're in Chinatown in Yokohama in another vending machine. Dumplings, the 3 different kinds, nikuman, anman. I'm not sure what this one is, but let's get all of them. And these are the soup dumplings here. Very nice. You know they're gonna be good because we're in Chinatown. What else do they have here? Oh, and this is the factory over here. Yeah, this is where they make everything. Oh yeah, got mountains of dumplings in there. Whoa! Yeah, this is definitely the place. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh yeah, it's gonna be the real deal dumplings. It's open 24 hours, yeah. Yokohama. This looks legit. Let's get some. Going in. Oh, it's heavy. It definitely gave me a lot of meat inside that. Number 2. Nothing came out. Got ripped off. Had a little bit of trouble there with number 2. Let's try number 3. Oh, now they both came. They both came at the same time. Must have pushed it out. Okay, good. Let's see here. This one looks like pork. It's a shumai. 1,200. Pricey. You get a lot though. Hope it comes out. Okay, that should be good. Let's go eat. All right, we are back. We've got Chinese food in the front. We got Korean food in the back. They both came out of vending machines in Japan. Say what? It smells weird. Yeah, I've got this hot soup right in front of me here, so I definitely have to start with this. But it looks like it's a tofu soup. A tofu hot soup. There's cucumber in here, there's kimchi, and there's a deep red in color. Going in for the Korean, I'm gonna call it spicy soup. I just expect that's what it's gonna be. Oh, there's meat in here too. Nice flavor. It's not too spicy. It's definitely hot. Got some tofu in that bite. The tofu is, it's interesting. It's got some texture. meaning it's got some chew to it. There's cucumber in here, kimchi style. Oh, this is nice. There is shrimp in here. All right. Shrimp is the meat. I mistook the tofu for meat. Very interesting. That is tasty. I like that. We've also got some Korean nori here, nori seaweed. So the dry seaweed. This is kind of an hors d'oeuvre. I'd like to eat these just by themselves as little snacks. So yeah, good stuff. I like the Korean nori because it's salty and it's got sesame oil on it. It's nice. Nice flavor. Whereas the Japanese nori, dry seaweed, is more bland. Sometimes it's salted, but that's about it. I could just eat these all day long. Oh, it's tasty. From the sea. Yummy from the sea. Not fishy. More like a potato chip. It's got crunch. Oh, what is next from Korea? We've got some fried chicken here with the sauce on it. Is the sauce boss? It looks like it. Let's give it the smell test. Oh my. That's, goodness. That's a big chunk. I hope it's not too spicy. We'll see. Oh, goodness. Oh. What is that flavor? Oh, wow. It's got a thick, zesty sauce. Oh, boy. And there's definitely some heat. Oh, this is good. This is really good. Very meaty. Boneless chicken. Oh, that is fantastic. It's got a breading on it and just, it's the herbs. Wow. Very interesting. Totally different from any other chicken I've ever had. Moving along. Next up is the Korean savory pancake. This is called Chijimi. And this is the seafood type. So, what's it going to have in it? It's going to have squid, but it's green in color. So what could this be? Spinach, perhaps? I'll let you know. This is weird. Yeah, it's like the spinach is overpowering. Not much crispiness to the pancake. Oh, this is a mess. And typically, I really like Chijimi. The Korean savory pancake is really, really good, typically, if you get it in a restaurant. But from a vending machine, I'm going to have to say, meh. Oh, that's a disappointment. A lot of seafood in here, though. It's just the base of the pancake not happening. Looks like some octopus here. Maybe if we hit it with some mayonnaise, some Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, we could bring it to life. Let's see. Let's see. Going in. Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. Oh, it's just so rich. It's got to bring it to life. Oh, yeah. Oh, the creaminess. Oh, it's good. Let's switch it on over here to the Chinese cuisine. Let's go. Let's give it a try. These are Shumai dumplings. Okay, you get a bunch of them here. It's really heavy. These are going to last me for a while. Okay, and it didn't come with any sauce or anything. So I'm assuming they're already seasoned. Let's see. Going in. Oh. Oh, it's like a sweet pork in there. Wow, these are good. Sweeter than typical for shumai. Yeah. Huh. A lot of meat on the inside. Good texture to the dumpling. They're nice and soft. Oh, these are good. Banging for sure. How about if we dip it in the Korean soup, huh? Just for fun. Just to spice it up, because they are sweet. Okay. A bit weird, but it is what it is. So far, this Korean fried chicken is the best. It's a really moist chicken. The sauce just overpowers it. Not too spicy, but there are a lot of spices in it. Does that make sense? I mean, it is spicy. It's not hot. Not too hot. Oh, wow. It's good, it's good, it's good. All right, let's move on to the dumplings here. And these are a very famous type of dumpling. They're the biggest ones. And in Japan, they're called man. Nikuman is the most popular one. And that's the beef, or sometimes you'll get pork. You can buy them at convenience stores here, but the Chinese ones are the originals. So that's why when I saw them in a vending machine, figured gotta try them. So let's pop open this one. The one with the dot on it, I believe is the pork. Not 100% sure. Oh yeah. Going in. Sweet. Very sweet. The dumpling is a bit tough on the outside. The inside's nice and soft. And the meat is excellent. But the bun itself, it's okay. All right, let's do this one next. I believe this one's going to be... Is it beef? Maybe I mixed up the beef and the pork. Can't even tell the difference between pork and beef. Oops. Oopsie daisy. But okay, so let's try this first. Correction, this is the pork. But they taste very similar. They're in the same type of sauce or, yeah, flavoring. Very, very similar. And the bun's the same. And this is the dessert-like one. So it's got the anko bean paste inside. Oh, yeah. So here we go. Dessert time. And this stuff is genuinely sweet. Well, this is the best one of the bunch. And today, on my rating scale from 1 to 6 Airheads, I'm going to go 3 out of 6. That's right. Korean food, Chinese food from the vending machines in Japan. There it was. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. And as always, I look forward to reading your comments. See you in the next one.